Hi, in this video we'll show you how you can install the Astera Data Warehouse Builder client and server applications. Once you've downloaded the installation package from the download center on our website, you'll notice that it contains two separate installers, one for the client and another one for the server. To install the server application, click on the integrationserver.exe file. You'll be directed to the welcome screen. Click Next to continue. Here, you will see the license agreement. Once you've gone over and accepted the terms, click Next. On the customer information screen, provide your username and organization and then click Next. Here, you can specify or change the destination folder for the Astera integration server. This is the folder path. By clicking on the Change option, you can modify this path according to your preference. Click Next once you're done. Now, you can choose a setup type from these two options, Complete and Custom. Let's go ahead with the Complete setup and click Next. Finally, the program is ready to be installed on your machine. Click on Install and wait for the process to be completed. Once it is complete, click on Finish to close the installation wizard. Moving on to the installation of the client application, click on the DW Builder application from the installation package to start the client application setup. This setup is identical to the one that appeared during the server installation. Follow the same steps as we saw earlier. Once you're finished with the client installation, you'll be able to open and access the DW Builder application. So this is how you can install the Astera Data Warehouse Builder client and server applications. For more information on the product, please visit our website. Thank you for watching this video.